Hey guys, so it's been a while since I recorded. I think the last time I recorded was other day's birthday party, and that wasn't even much. That was pretty much just Snapchat videos, but I did upload it to here. So, a couple new things going on is yes, I do have a new dog, well, a puppy. She's 5 months old, and if I can get her to jump up here, I can show you guys. The next thing is, come here. I am looking for another job. Again, there's Buddy, of course. Of course, and he won't get off of me. Missy. I named her Missy, so. Missy. And she does good with the potty train. Well, actually, she uses the potty pad. Come here, Missy. There she is. So she uses the potty pad a lot better than Buddy and Mia's ever have. And she's 5 months old, and she probably weighs 3 pounds, maybe 4. We don't know if she's gonna grow anymore, but yeah, I think she's full grown. She hasn't grown any since she's been here, so. And she's going on 6 months on the 27th of this month, so yeah. She sleeps with me. Well, she sleeps on her bed with me on my bed. If she starts to move around, she ends up underneath my armpit. Funny, but she actually lays down and stays laying down then for a good while. She usually stays right next to me, and she does bark. She gets Buddy and Mia all the time, and so I'll do a haul. I haven't really gotten her much. I got her collar, her bed, and just food that she needs. Um, Here in the next month or two, she's going to go get her shots. So I'll do a video on that also. I just don't know when exactly that's gonna be. I do know she needs to get them after she turns 6 months old. But yeah, things have been so tight right now. Things are going so crazy with my car right now, and that's another video. Just prepare for that video. I'll probably be moving my car to the back in the next day or so. But Friday should be interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna record, but we'll see. I don't want to say anything because last Friday it was supposed to happen and it didn't. So this Friday it'll be more on me. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I just thought I'd get on here and let you guys know that yes, we did get a new puppy. If you did not see there was a clip on Daddy's birthday. I don't know if I didn't do the pictures yet. I gotta do the video for the pictures, but if you didn't see that she was in it also, she was following my sister around. So yeah, we will touch you guys later. Bye, guys.